Hello there, this is Joey Rutschka, author of PYKL3Radar, the Level 3 radar viewer for the Android platform. And I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of the product and show some of its capabilities. First, we'll give this product a start. You'll see the introduction screen, and then we'll bring up the radar information. What you're seeing right now is radar data near the Lubbock, Texas area. That's out in West Texas. And as you can see, it's quite easy to pan around, zooming in and out. City names do appear, and these are adjustable in size. And actually, there is a great deal of customization which is possible in PYKL3Radar. Everything from the colors and line widths of the roads to the radar palette being displayed. The default palette is just my personal favorite, but you're welcome to change it however you like. Put this into motion, just touch the menu button and hit the loop button, and you can see that the product does go through its paces, loading imagery. I've got it set up to receive 12 frames at this time, so it takes just a little bit longer to load than the default of 6. In addition to starting items with the menu button, there's also this gear button in the upper right. And I'll just push on that right quick. And that brings up a number of other controls. You can see this control button here turns on looping controls down here, where we can step through individual frames of the radar data. Set that back in motion. We have layers, which allow you to bring either the base radar and then, of course, slowly add other layers to it until we finally have the highest number of layers displayed. And of course, the surface observations, giving you the temperature, the dew point, wind direction, and speed across the region. Another unique feature of the program is the ability to zoom out and go into a continental US mode, where we can take a look at watches, warnings, and I even have some of the third-party overlays displayed at this time. You can see the line for general thunderstorms through here, and a line for slight risk of severe thunderstorms through here. And as we can see here in central New Mexico, we actually do have some severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing. You can long press the screen, and it'll bring up a selection of options to choose from, including selecting the nearest RDA to your point of press, or querying a screen touch point. Let's switch to the Holloman Air Force Base RDA briefly here. Okay, now we're looking at the Holloman Air Force Base RDA, and we can see that if we scroll down just a little bit, we have both a special weather statement and a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. To see that warning, all we do is long press it, hit query screen touch point, and here we'll see severe Albuquerque severe thunderstorm number 19, and you can easily press that and display the text associated with that warning. If you happen to have two different products available at a given place where you press, such as out here, you just query the screen touch point, and you can select either between the special weather statement that exists or the severe Albuquerque number 20. Special weather statement is only available when you use Caprock Weather as your warning provider. Now we've switched from the Holloman Air Force Base RDA up to the Albuquerque RDA, and we can see that storm tracks are plotting here. This is available within a optional third-party Allison House subscription. You can see the little storm tracks here, and out here, and those provide just a little bit more information when the looping is not activated as to the direction of the storms. You can also see some very light dots out here. Those are indication of cloud to ground lightning strikes, which are also available with the optional Allison House subscription. So let's say that you are looking at the radar and you want to get a different perspective on things and wanted to see the satellite imagery. So viewing satellite imagery in PYKL 3 is quite easy. Simply hit the menu button, touch more, go to the gesture pad, and you'll see a variety of options. And we'll just trace out the V for visible satellite, and this will bring up a image of, in this case, goes west, showing the visible satellite imagery across the area centered on the RDA which was selected. You can also get infrared and water vapor imagery as well. Now let's say that you're in the field and you want to take a look at the latest forecast discussion from the Albuquerque office. That too is quite easy to do here in PYKL 3. Just touch on the menu button, hit more, then go to text products. In this case, the PIL for the Albuquerque office forecast discussion is AFD-ABQ. Now let's say that you do not know what that product identifier would be. Simply click on product. You can select your product as AFD or area forecast discussion, and you can click on site. And the sites are ordered in alphabetical order by state. So we'll go down to Albuquerque, New Mexico, ABQ, and that puts together the PIL that you're after. Hit submit, and there's the product to read. Of course, you can always take a look at the latest severe weather outlook or the latest mesoscale convective discussion while roaming in the field. Please visit us on our website at PYKL3Radar.com. We can be found on both Android Play and Amazon App Store. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns of any nature, please feel welcome to reach us at support@PYKL3Radar.com.